Watch before you buy. Eufy security doorbell camera. Wireless S210 2K, battery powered. With chime, no monthly fee. On device, AI for human detection.
Right, today guys, I'll bring you the eufy 2K HD security video doorbell. There you go. I'm not going to waffle on too much about the camera. I'm just going to basically show you what it can do. Bought it from Amazon. Links will be in the video description. So what we're going to do is show you where the ringer and the where it stores the data and the video footage. There's no monthly subscription to this, so it's all recorded and stayed at home. I have mine already set up and it's linked to Alexa. She's already talking anyway. So, right, I'm going to take you over to the home base unit. Right, so there's your ringer doorbell. There's a little micro SD card slot just there. That's where you record up to, I think it's about, you can put a card in there, 128 gig. So yeah, it's all connected, it's wireless and it's battery, the doorbell's battery, all wired. So let's go and see the doorbell. Right, so I'm just at my front door now. This is the phone. We're going to walk up to the front door just there. I'm going to show you the time delay for the notification to come through. There you go. It says human alert. So if I press tap to view, probably get a bit of feedback because I'm filming live. There you go. So there's the camera, you can hear. Right. So that's how quick it is. If I ring the doorbell, it goes over to live feed and you can talk. Oh, hello? It will give feedback because I'm on the phone. So I'll turn this down in a second. So if I say hello, 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 can you hear me? Yeah, I can hear you. Right, so it's a bit difficult to try and show you. Sorry about the sunlight. But yeah, I'm moving around. There we go. Move in. Moving out. And you can just mess around with the settings down here. You don't want to talk, turn it off. Sorry that you can hear the dogs there. But there you go. That's the eufy security. Switch that off for soon. There we go. That's the eufy security camera. This is wireless one, and it is battery operated, but you can wire it to an existing doorbell. Press it.
Let me out, I'm stuck in your pocket.
Straight away. And you get a free sticker.
Let me out, I'm stuck in your pocket.
Zombies.
Oh, so there you go, guys. That's the quick demonstration of the eufy security camera doorbell, battery video doorbell. Like I say, it's 2K. It can be wired or it can be battery. Battery lasts, they say, 180 days, but even so, a couple of months, job done. Right, thanks for watching. If you like, subscribe, click that bell, and any questions, please ask. We'll see you at the next.